exposing the secret source of successful traders. It's all about the Wolfe Wave pattern. The Wolfe Wave pattern is your ticket to predicting price reversals and making informed trading decisions. Imagine mastering a low-risk, high-reward setup that puts you ahead of the market curve. That's where our Wolfe Wave Pattern Mentorship Program comes in. Over 8 weeks online, you'll gain a deep understanding of Wolfe Waves and learn how to identify them in any market condition. You'll develop effective trading strategies, master risk management techniques, and participate in live trading sessions to apply your new skills in real time. Who should join? Beginner and intermediate traders who want to enhance their technical analysis skills, and anyone eager to master the Wolfe Wave pattern for better trading outcomes. Ready to take action? Secure your spot in the Wolfe Wave Pattern Mentorship Program today. Visit our YouTube channel or email us at tradeexpert89@gmail.com. Limited one-to-one spots available, so don't miss this opportunity to elevate your trading skills with expert guidance. Let's navigate the world of Wolfe Waves together. Best regards, Inder Singh, owner of FIINKNOWLEDGE.